Hello everyone, I'm Shreyas, URK17CS244. Today we're going to see about inheritance in Java. Inheritance is a similar concept that we've discussed in C++ earlier. There's only slight variations in the syntax and things like that. We also use method overriding concept in this, and also the dynamic method dispatch, which is also called as runtime polymorphism. So let's have a look at this example. The class name is called animal here, and we create another function called void eat, and have a look at this. We create another class called test inheritance. So that's another class because we use the extends keyword here in order to inherit the dog. The class name called dog is the base class and the animal is the child class. So we use the keyword extends for inheritance. And let's have a deep understanding using a sample program. Have a look at this program. The class name is cake. We'll have to create a class called cake and two other classes called ordered cake and ready-made cake. So they've given the condition here, like we'll have to get the input from the user and display and sort it accordingly and display if it is an ordered cake or a ready-made cake. So that's all about the program. Let's have a look at the source code and how it works. So this is the source code. We create a class called cake. The variables are name and the rate of the cake. Here we create a constructor to initialize it. We get the name and the rate from the user and things like that. And yeah, this is the inherited another class called ordered cake. It extends from the base class cake. So in the ordered cake, similarly we get the name of the cake, the rate and the weight of it. And we create another class called ready-made cake. Similarly we extend it to the base class cake, and we get the same name, cake name, rate and quantity, quite similar to the previous inherited class, the ordered cake. And finally we create the main function in another class called main cake. This we do not inherit because we had the main function in this class. So we create a scanner class and we input the details from the user. So based on the question that's given to us, if it is less than 2, we get the choice from the user if it's an ordered cake or a ready-made cake, and based on that we call the previous two classes. That's what is done here in this part of the code. And the details are printed. Let's have a look at how this works. So they're asking us to enter the name. Let's give strawberry. Say suppose the rate is 500 and the weight is 5 kilos. Next cake, say suppose we give vanilla. The rate is 200 and the weight is 1. They're asking us to enter the ready-made cake. Say suppose let us chocolate. Price say suppose 300 and the weight is 2 kilos. One more. Suppose give forest. Price 400 for a kilo. So have a look at the console. It's display the total price of all types of cakes. The ordered cakes is cost 2,500 and the second one is 200. The ready-made cake is 600 and 400. So the details are printed here: the price and quantity of the ready-made cake, and the price and cost for the ordered cake. So the highest cake is strawberry, which is 500. And yeah, that's all about this. That's all about inheritance. Thank you.